when I started my first job, there was a chap there in sales. So I was working in the forensics department, and then there was a sales chap there, and he said, uh, one thing that you need to take is people buy from people. They don't buy from organizations, they don't buy from companies or anything like that. They buy from people. And if they like you, they will get things from you. You could talk to them. And I never really understood it, to be honest. Because I was like, well, no, if someone wants to buy something, they want to buy the product or they want to buy this. And it's only when I saw him in action with the client where he was just talking to him, and not even about the product, just talking to him in general, taking an interest in them, talking general stuff about sports and all that kind of stuff, is you get the conversation going. And it's just very natural the way he did it. And then all of a sudden he started talking about the product. But because he had that connection with that person became trusting in him and think, oh, I trust him. He trusts the product. Therefore, I trust the product or the service. And that's why I needed it. And that's the key thing, is where the human element is so important, is that when there was a pandemic in COVID, everyone started doing remote meetings, team meetings, Zoom meetings, whichever platform they used. It was great because we needed to do that, but you can't beat the face-to-face meeting. Looking people in the eyes, socializing with them, talking with them. And that's the thing that I think AI will not be able to do. However, it will be able to create a platform for you and a foundation for you to potentially open the door, but then you still got to do that extra effort of then closing the deal as such. Because like I said, a lot of people, very clever people, their strong points are not writing or writing an email, whereas some people are very good at that. And what that allows people to do, just gets people on the level playing field, and again, using it the right way and not in a malicious way, is the key to all of this. And that's one thing I found especially when I started. The first thing, he's retired now, but he always said, he goes, people buy from people, no matter what happens.